Welcome, lovely listeners, to another episode of Vikram's Community Hotline, where I answer your calls to make our community even better. I'm your host, Vikram, and today's message is all about a cow in the community garden. As you listen to this episode, it's okay if you don't understand every word. Here are some keywords to help you follow along.
Vaca. Feliz. Comunidad. Jardín.
Let's hear from our first caller.
Hola Vikram, soy Felipe. La semana pasada, mi vaca Clorinda fue al jardín comunitario. La semana pasada, mi vaca Clorinda fue al jardín comunitario. Ella abrió la puerta y comió algunos tomates y manzanas. Y estuvo muy feliz toda la semana, pero mis vecinos están enojados. Ellos cerraron el jardín y ahora no quieren ver a Clorinda cerca. Pero ella también vive en nuestra comunidad y quiere ser feliz. ¿Eso está mal?
Hi, neighbor. Your pet cow Clorinda deserves happiness too. How about creating a cow-munity garden just for her? We can fill it with her favorite fruits and veggies. And to keep your neighbors happy, let's organize a weekly cow meet and greet so everyone can bond with Clorinda and appreciate her charming presence. Remember, a happy cow brings joy to the whole community. That's all the time we have today. Thank you for joining us on Vikram's Community Hotline. Remember, our lines are always open.